Good morning students. Today we are going to start the next part of exercise 11.4, that is question number 8. Question number 8. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe. So this is a circular pipe. He wrapped a cord around it and the radius of the circular pipe, that means this circle radius is given 4 centimeter, and cut off the length required of the cord. So the length of the cord is equal to the circumference of the circle, because she took it and she took the exact measurement and she cut off the rod. The next part of the question is then she wrapped it around the square box of side 4 centimeter. Another, she took this cord out and she wrapped it around the square box whose side is 4 centimeter. You have to find that did she have any cord left or not. For that, first we'll find the circumference of the circle. So the length, what is the length of the cord? That will be equal to the circumference of the circle. So 2 pi r, pi we have to take 3.14. Radius is given 4. If we multiply, we get the answer 25.12 centimeters. So this is the length of the cord. Now let us check the perimeter of the square. So the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. The side of the square is given 4 centimeter. So 4 into 4, so answer is 16 centimeter. Now the length is 25.12 centimeter and the square perimeter is 16 centimeter. So did she have any cord left? Yes, obviously she will be having the cord left. And what is the difference between two? How much cord will be left? Let us also find that. So the cord, the length of the cord left is equal to 25.12 minus 16, that is 9 point, we'll subtract, we get 9.12 centimeters. So our question is, did she have any cord left? Yes, she will have the cord left. Write down this in your notebook. Now question number 9. A figure is given where a rectangular lawn is given whose dimensions are given to you, and inside the rectangular lawn a flower bed is there which is of circular shape whose radius is given 2 meter. We have to find area of the land. Area of the land means area of the rectangular portion. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. Now length is given 10 meters, breadth is given 5 meters. So 10 multiplied by 5. So answer is 50 meter square. Second, we have to find the area of the flower bed. Flower bed is circular shape, so we'll write the formula of area of circle, that is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into radius is given 2 multiplied by 2. So 22 into 2 into 2, 22 fours are 88 by 7. We'll divide it by 7, 12.57 meter square. So this is the area of flower bed. Third question is area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed. Means without this area. So we'll subtract the area of whole land minus the area of the flower bed. So it will be equal to 50 minus 12.57. So 50 will subtract 50 by 12.57. We will be getting 37.53 meter square. Now the last part of the question is we have to find the circumference of the flower bed. So what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, we put the values 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2. Again we will be getting 88 by 7, that is equal to 12.57. So we will write 12.57 meters. Since it is circumference, we will write meters. So note down this in your notebook. Now question number 10, first part, the figure is given to you. You have to find the area of shaded portion. Means you have to find this area. To find this area, first we will find the area of rectangle. Whole rectangle, this A, B, C, D, and then we will subtract the two triangles, that is this triangle and this triangle, A, E, F and B, C, F. That area will subtract. So then we will get the area of the shaded portion. So first we will find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to L into B. Now what is the length? Length is given 18 centimeter and breadth is given 10 centimeter. So we will write 10. So 18 into 10, 180 centimeter square. Now we will find the first triangle area. So area of triangle AEF. You know the formula for area of triangle, that is half base into altitude, half b into h. What is base here? This is base AE and altitude is AF. So base is 10 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 10 multiplied by height. Height is 6 centimeter. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 3 tens are 30 centimeter square. This is first triangle area. Now we will find the second triangle area. So area of triangle BEC. Again formula will remain same, half base into altitude. Here what is base? BE is base, which is 8 centimeter given. So 1 by 2 into 8 and height is 10. So multiplied by 10. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 tens are 40 centimeter square. So area of both the triangles first we will add and then we will subtract by from the area of rectangle. So area of both triangles is equal to 30 plus 40 means 70 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle minus the area of two triangles. Area of rectangle is 180. So 180 minus 70, 110 centimeter square. Similarly, try out the second part of question number 10. I am giving you it as homework. Now last question number 11 of the exercise. A figure is given where it is a given quadrilateral A, B, C, D such that BM is perpendicular to AC and DN is perpendicular to AC, and AC, the length of AC is given 22 centimeter, DM is given 3 centimeter and ND is given 3 centimeter. You have to find the area of the quadrilateral. To find the area of quadrilateral, we can see that this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles A, B, C, this triangle, and below one triangle A, D, C, this triangle. So we can find the area of triangle ABC and triangle ADC and we add them so that we get the area of quadrilateral. So area of triangle ABC, this triangle, upper triangle ABC is equal to half base into altitude. Now your base is AC. AC is given 22. So half 22 into height. Height is which is perpendicular is known as height. So this is perpendicular. So it is given 3 centimeters. So we will write 3. 2 ones are, 2 11s are, 11 threes are 33 centimeter square. Similarly, we find the triangle, area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle find area of quadrilateral, we will add both the areas. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. So 33 plus 33 will get 66 centimeter square. So write down this in your notebook, draw the diagram with the help of scale and pencil. By this we will complete the chapter perimeter and area. Complete whole exercise in your notebook. Thank you.